What have you got, Layla? What have you got there? Hey, what is it? That's Sally's, isn't it? What else have you got? What's this? Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I am Sally. And in today's video, by request of a subscriber, you have asked me to do a Sinamay lily that could be used in millinery or just for arts and crafts. All right then, let's get straight into it. I've got a 6-inch square of Sinamay here and just folded it in half like so, and I'm just going to spritz it with some water. And then I am just going to fold it in half like so and just cut off the top section. These are two other little lilies there that I've done. And then I'm going to open that out and then fold this in like so, and then again over this side the same width. It's about a centimetre, just less than a centimetre. And then we're just going to fold that in half, match up the two folded over sides and the raw edge. I'm going to just get that raw edge and fold it inside the folded over edge. So it looks like that. And I'm just going to get a little clip on the end just to hold that together. And this is what we've got, and what I'm going to do next is I've got my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put some glue inside the seam there, fold it down, maybe a little bit more at the bottom there. Okay, and that's all glued down. And next what I'd like to do, once we've got this all glued down, I'm going to just spray it again, just around the top bit there, inside and out. And I'm just going to start pulling the bias side, which is the top of our lily, and I'm just stretching it all the way up like that. Not too difficult to do. And there we have one. So I've been messing around with this costume jewellery and I've gone back to one of the lilies that I'd done previously, and I'm thinking I really like the way this little bracelet looks on the lily. So I'm actually going to glue gun this down because I'd like to keep it this way. So and I think I'm going to use these two feathers here to pop in this lily. So that was the first lily. And then we've got one, there's some more different feathers in there that have been cut into diamonds that I already had. And then I put some feathers inside this larger lily, and I also glue gun down this costume bracelet, which I do really like. And then you've got just your plain lily. And then you can buy these and eardrop shape Sinamay base. Obviously that one's too big, but yeah, you can play around with those and have those on as well, whatever you fancy really. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and that it gave you some motivation to maybe have a go at making your own fascinator. As I said, this was by request of one subscribers who asked me to just do a video based on how to make these Sinamay lilies. So if you're new around here, you are absolutely welcome to stay around. Just please hit the subscribe button for free content, and hit the notification button to see when I upload, and give us a like and make a comment, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much.